Welcome to the Nature Channel. We watch nature stuff here because it's pretty neat.
How to use a hoe 101. First, find yourself a patch of grass. Exhibit A. Take a firm stance.
Are you bored with the same old farming shows?
And pull.
Don't you wish you were watching a farming show with a little more kick?
Pull and then repeat. Pull
Make sure to check out Extreme Farming with Bailey Connor. It's the only farming show with fire. With explosions, with ninjas, with more ninjas. We've got party cats. We've got dancing elephants. We've got lightsaber fights. We've got two-legged horses. It's the only farming show guaranteed to give you seizures. Watch Extreme Farming with Bailey Connor, Saturdays at 6, 7 Central, only on the Nature Channel.
Survive with Man vs. Wild. It's not Bear Grylls, but this guy will drink his pee in every episode. Guaranteed.
Hey, it's Bear Grylls here. I haven't had anything to drink or haven't gone to the restroom in 48 hours. And I'm extremely parched. And I'm looking for any sorts of liquid to drink because I'm about ready to die. Oh, looky there! Thank goodness! It's a glass container! You dream of finding something like this in the nature, but when it actually happens, it's like a birthday present. Thank goodness it's a container. I can go to the restroom in this. Extreme times call for extreme measures. I'd only suggest this if you can't find any other liquid source around you. Unfortunately, we can't. It's a little bit tangy, but it'll do. Oh, please, no more. That was great. Bear Grylls, signing out.
If you haven't seen the movie or read the book, catch the new reality drama series, The Hunger Games.
I volunteer as tribute. I'm Katniss.
Why'd you shoot me? I don't even understand.
Thanks for tuning in to the Nature Channel, proud corporate sponsor of Mountain in the Woodlands State Park.